I bring you 2 minutes in the Olive Garden. Today's text, Proverbs chapter 25, verse 9. If you take your neighbor to court, do not betray another's confidence. First of all, this is to clarify the doctrine of some people who claim it is sin for a Christian to take someone else to court. Anytime someone offends you before the law, just give it to God, they say. Well, the Bible never said that. Paul in 1 Corinthians chapter 6 was speaking in the context of believers to the body of Christ, especially two believers in the same church. And he was forbidding them from being in the habit of taking each other to court. Paul admonished us to try our very best to resolve those issues rather than taking them to a judge who may not even be a Christian to sit on the matter. Today we are told by Solomon that going to court is a choice. If we choose to, then we must so conduct ourselves properly in such a way that no one would have any further accusations against us. For example, if you take someone to court for stealing your goat, make sure you have also not stolen someone else's sheep. Going to court is not bad in itself at all. In fact, the reason why there is so much carelessness and negligence in Ghana is that the court system is so corrupt and so expensive. So many of our doctors, for instance, and many of our nurses will keep treating patients anyhow and even killing them due to their own negligence. And nothing happens to them. Nobody does anything to them. Why? Because no one is ready to sue the hospital or sue these health professionals. People just get away with anything because the average citizen does not like to go to court or to sue people for their nonsense. If a matter demands that you go to court and you can afford it, please go to court. God will rule in your favor. The shalom of Yahweh be upon you.